guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. It is the end of September and that can only mean one thing. Chanel holiday gift sets are dropping in a couple of weeks. If you're new here, my name is Laura. Welcome. You may have found me because of this graphic circulating around the internet and apparently Chinese social media. I've never made it to China, but my graphic has, which isn't totally a surprise. Last year, I created a short similar to the one that I posted yesterday, and it also ended up all over the internet. People were sharing it, and nobody was sharing my content or crediting me in any way, except for one person, Super Jacob did. Super Jacob did a video, tagged me, gave me credit and everything, which I really appreciated. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. And I decided to create this little graphic because I had received some very grainy, pixely, photos of a computer, basically. They were just such bad quality, but then I started to see other creators creating really great videos about the gift sets already, and they had the same photos, and I thought I could probably make something better than this myself. So I did. I went through Chanel, I did little screenshots of all the different products and put them together on this short, because I thought if everybody is sharing the same crappy photos, then who knows if we're actually going to get better ones, because I really feel that Chanel has really been gatekeeping a lot, especially with the collections, and maybe your essays have finally gotten better photos as well, but I thought this little graphic might be helpful. Let's talk about this year's gift sets and address a lot of the comments that I have been seeing online. First, let's talk about the bag, which I think is what everybody really loves about these gift sets. I know a lot of you love to turn them into little crossbody bags and use that hack that you have seen a lot of people make videos about here on YouTube every year. And this year it is a cream bag. All of the bags are cream colored and they are like a tweed and they have a basket weave to them. I have seen a lot of people commenting that they are the same bag as last year, which here is last year's cream bag. And it is similar in the fact that it's cream, but this one doesn't have that tweed basket weave to it, and it has a lot of gold in it. When I zoom into the photo of this little round pouch, which is the same material, but this little gift set was featured on the Harrods Chanel pop-up, I think I can sort of see a little bit of gold shot through there. I'm not entirely sure. I did order a couple of these with my essay already, so as soon as I get those, I will do a video so you can see what the bag looks like up close, but it's not the same exact bag that we had last year. And last year the zipper pull was just a plain gold zipper pull that said Chanel. This year it's going to be a gold snowflake. Now looking at this graphic again, what is the first thing that you notice? Because I noticed how much more expensive the gift sets are this year. I'm going to share last year's gift sets here on the screen so you can see the price, but a lot of them are under $100. This year, every single set is more than $100. So the cheapest set is, and I did this in order of price, the cheapest set is the Ultimate Allure for $106. It's coming with the mascara and a lipstick in the shade 854. Then the second one is Moisture To Go. I can predict this one being a popular set because it does come with the hand cream, which I know is a really popular item for people to pick up, and then the Cocoa Lip Balm, and that's going to be in like the colorless lip balm color. The next set is the All Eyes On. This one's $123. It's going to come with a mascara, the Le Volume de Chanel, which is another lash product, and then an eyeliner in the shade 88, and it's waterproof. The fourth one is Look Sharp. It's $127. It's going to come with a compact mirror, an eyeliner, and a mascara. Then this next set, Maximum Brilliance. This is always one of the most popular gift sets as well, and I think this was one of the more expensive ones last year. It was like $100, so this year it is more expensive. It's going to come with 3 lip glosses. It's similar to the one that we had last year, except there is one lip gloss difference. So the colors are going to be Bourgeoisie, Melted Honey, and Icing. Last year the color that was in place of icing was Noche Moscata, which I really like that color. I've never tried icing, but I did go online and I did see that it was sold out. So if you like that color, it will be available again in this gift set. The next gift set is High Points. This one retails for $140. It's going to come with a Rouge Cocoa Balm. I think that's in the Natural Charm. It's also going to come with the Balm Essential and also a mascara. Bases Covered is going to retail for $140. This one's going to come with the La Mousse cleanser, which I really like. I bought the cleanser set 2 years ago, and that cleanser lasted me such a long time. It lasted the entire year. A little goes a long way. I really like that one. This is one of the ones that I know for sure that I'll be picking up from my essay as long as it's available. And this one also is going to include the Hydra Beauty Cream, which I've never used, so I'm excited to try that one as well. Then we get into the $200 range with these last two sets, and this one's called Active Beauty. It also comes with the hand cream, the UV Essential, and the HB Essence Mist. And then for $223, we have Layers of Hydration. This one's gonna come with the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum, the Camellia Water Cream, and the eye makeup remover. This is another gift set that I'm also interested in trying. I just don't know for $223 if that's something that I want to spend on a holiday gift set, so I'm really going to sit on that and think about it. But these are the sets that we're going to have here in the US. I know that other countries may have different sets. I remember last year there was this really great set that I think was in Europe and maybe Asia. We didn't have it here in the US and I really wanted it, but it was a Chance by Chanel hair mist and a Rouge Cocoa Bomb, and there might have been one other thing. Maybe it was just those two things, but I was really interested in getting it, and unfortunately we did not get it here in the US. The other thing I wanted to say is some of these will be Black Friday gift sets. Last year there were two gift sets that were Black Friday. There was the cleanser set, and then there was the set that had the eyeshadow palette in it. Those were supposed to be the Black Friday gift sets last year. The year before there were some fragrance sets as well. They ended up coming out before Black Friday. I always share the links in my community page, so if you're not subscribed to me already, go ahead and subscribe to me if you'd like to get those updates, because I try to be pretty on top of it as I can, because I also work a full-time job. But the ones that I think are going to be Black Friday, it looks like the Active Beauty, the High Points, and the Look Sharp might be the Black Friday sets. I'm not exactly sure when those are going to be coming out. I think sometimes they give certain information and then they surprise us and drop them earlier, which is what happened last year, because I remember specifically the cleanser set came out before Black Friday. So that's it for the video, guys. What do you think of this year's holiday sets? I think my main takeaway is I do wish that there was another colored bag. I'm excited to see them in person, because I will admit, when I saw the bags last year, I wasn't really excited about them, especially this blue one. I thought it didn't look great in the photos, and the bags don't look great in the photos again this year, but I ended up really liking both colors from last year's gift sets and picking up both. My first thought when I saw these was, I wish there was like a more festive color, and I thought, you know, maybe this year could be green, since last year was blue and the year before was red. And I did see one of the moderators in one of the Facebook groups that I am in also said she wished there was a green one, and I think that would have been a great color to add this year. But you know, they're all the same color, so let me know what you think about that. The other thing is, again, I know that you guys, a lot of you turn them into little bags, and this year they have the Beauté underneath the Chanel logo. This isn't the first time that they've done this. It is the first time in a couple of years though. I remember years ago there was a black one that had that underneath as well. And I think, and I know already from my short yesterday, that at least one of you isn't really happy about that. I think you could probably work around it. Maybe when you do your conversion, you can add like some cute bag chain or something that would cover that up. But let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one, and be sure to keep an eye on the community section of my YouTube page.